I don't give a rat's ass about historical buildings. I'm not that guy. The house I tore down here was in the 1800s. I'm not in a historical district. If I was in a historical district, I don't care about those either, though. So but I don't have any pull on that right there. So I got about a dozen friends that like doing historical work. They love working in these historical districts and all, but I don't. Your paint has to match exactly. They're gonna give you the paint you gotta use. If it misses it by anything, you gotta repaint the whole house.
Gosh.
The flooring has to be what they tell you to do. The walls have to be what they tell you to do. The trim has to be what they tell you to do. Everything has to match exactly what these people are telling you to do. And if you don't do it, you're redoing it. You don't have a choice. You're redoing it. And
that's historical.
So I just don't like that kind of stuff. I just had a meeting with a guy in Nashville today that is trying to build a new building in a historical district. Just fighting him like crazy.
Historical remodels.
Yeah. And I'm not talking trash about the people, but I am. But you get these people, they love history.
Yeah.
And that's not bad. I mean, I think we do need to preserve. I mean, hell, I wish they would maintain the history of the integrity that our country had 10 years ago, right?
Hey,
where people told the truth, people didn't lie, their word was their bond, but they want to protect the building. Not that we're going to say we can't protect the buildings, because we can. I can talk trash about it, but it does have its place. That's not my forte and not what I want to do personally.